The Quality of Mercy, written by William Shakespeare.
William Shakespeare. He was born on April 23rd, 1564, in Stratford-on-Avon. Shakespeare has written more than 30 plays. These are usually divided into four categories: histories, tragedies, comedies, and romances. His earliest plays were primarily comedies and histories, such as Henry VI and the Comedy of Errors. But in 1596, he wrote Romeo and Juliet, his second tragedy, and over the next dozen years, he would return to the forum, writing the plays for which he is now best known: Julius Caesar, Hamlet, Othello, King Lear, Macbeth, Antony, and Cleopatra. The sonnets of Shakespeare, they are 154 in number. So he wrote so many sonnets. This poem is an extract from Shakespeare's play Merchant of Venice. Portia, the central character, dressed as a lawyer, appears in the court of Duke of Venice. Duke permits her to speak for Antonio, addressing the Shylock. Portia promises him his right to justice according to the uh, Venetian law. She argues the Jew to be merciful. She delivers an eloquent speech on the quality of mercy. Now, Quality of Mercy, written by William Shakespeare. Quality of mercy is not strain. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Portia says that the quality of mercy cannot be forced. It must come naturally. It is a divine quality given by God, like rain. Mercy means compassion, ಅಂದರೆ ಅನುಕಂಪ ಅಂತ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈನೆಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಡ್. ಡ್ರಾಪೆತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹನಿ ಹನಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೋದು ಅಂತ, ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್. ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೃದು ಅಂತ. ಹೆವೆನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಸ್ವರ್ಗ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಆ್ಯಸ್, ಲೈಕ್, ಶೋ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ. ಇಟ್ ಡ್ರಾಪೆತ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ ರೈನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೆವೆನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಯಾಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ಸಿಮಿಲಿ ಅಂತ. ವೈ ಡಿಡ್ ದ ಪಯೆಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮರ್ಸಿ ಟು ದಿ ಜೆಂಟ್ಲ್ ರೈನ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ರೈನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಅರ್ತ್, ಮರ್ಸಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಸೋಲ್ and makes it pure. That's why the poet compare mercy to the gentle rain. Upon the place beneath, it is twice blessed. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes. It is mightiest in the mightiest it becomes. Beneath means ಕೆಳಗೆ. ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಟೂ ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ಬಾರಿ. ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಪೊನೆಟಿಕ್, ಇದು ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಡ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ. ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಅದು ಪೊನೆಟಿಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಡ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸೆತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. TIS ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಟಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮೈಟಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ TIS ಅನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೈಟಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮೈಟಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್. ಅಪಾನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬೆನೆತ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ mercy drops as the gentle rain from the heaven upon the earth. It is twice blessed means mercy is blessed two times by the God. It blesseth him that gives and him that takes means the person who shows mercy is blessed by God, as well as the person who receives mercy is also blessed by the God. It is mightiest in the mightiest, it becomes means mercy is the most powerful of all virtues. That's why it is the strongest quality compared to other qualities. Throne means ಸಿಂಹಾಸನ ಅಂತ. ಮೊನಾಕ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಅ ಕಿಂಗ್, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಆರ್ ಎಂಪರರ್. ಕ್ರೌನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಿರೀಟ. ಸೆಪ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಡೆಕೋರೇಟೆಡ್ ರಾಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾರಿಡ್ ಬೈ ಎ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಕ್ವೀನ್. ಟೆಂಪರಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲೌಕಿಕ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಥ್ರೋನ್ಡ್ ಮೊನಾಕ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರೌನ್. His scepter shows the force of temporal power. The mercy enhance the glory of a king more than his crown. The scepter, a decorated rod carried by a king or a queen, symbolizes power. It stands for the power a king exerts over his kingdom. The attribute awe and majesty, wherein doth sit the dread and fear of kings, but mercy is above this sceptered sway. Attribute ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣ. ಆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಸ್ಮಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ರಾಯಲ್ ಪವರ್, ಒಂದು ಘನತೆ, ಗಾಂಭೀರ್ಯ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಡೋತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಷನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಡಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಡ್ರೆಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಫಿಯರ್ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ದ ಅಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿ ವೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಡೋತ್ ಸಿಟ್ ದ ಡ್ರೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದ ಸೆಪ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪವರ್. ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪವರ್, ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಂಪರಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಇಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎನ್ವೋಕ್ಸ್ ಆ majesty and fear. People have dread towards the king. But mercy is above this scepter sway means when he has mercy in him, this makes him the mightiest king and there is no place for the scepter. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. Mercy is seated in the hearts of kings. It is an attribute of God. Mercy is a divine quality given by God. So when he uses his power with mercy, he comes close to God. And earthly power doth then show likest gods when mercy seasons justice. Not only does the king get temporal power, but with mercy he also gets divine power. The earthly power with mercy will make him like God, for mercy will help him give proper justice in any season.
The quality of mercy is not strange. The quality of mercy is not strange. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. It droppeth as the gentle rain from heaven. Upon the place beneath it is a Christ blessed. Upon the place beneath it is a Christ blessed. Bless him that gives and in the taste. Bless him that gives and in the taste. It is the mightest in the mightest it becomes. It is the mightest in the mightest it becomes. The quality of mercy is not strange. The quality of mercy is not strange. The throne monarch better than his crown. The scepter shows the force of temporal power. The scepter shows the force of temporal power. The attribute to awe and majesty. The attribute to awe and majesty. Wherein does the seat the dreaded fear of kings? Wherein does the seat the dreaded fear of kings? Mercy is above the scepter's way. But mercy is above this scepter's way. The quality of mercy is not strange. The quality of mercy is not strange. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is enthroned in the heart of kings. It is an attribute to God himself. quality of mercy is not strength. The quality of mercy